Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture I am going to discuss the PYQ of partial differential equation asked in csirnet 2017. So our question is, let uxt be the solution of the initial value problem utt minus uxx is equals to 0 and ux comma 0 is equals to x cube, xt of x0 is equals to sin x, then u pi is. So this is the partial differential equation, and this type of equation is a wave equation. So for solving the wave equation we have to use D'Alembert ratio. So given equation u tt is equals to uxx and the coefficient of uxx is 1. So here c is equals to 1. By comparing the wave equation, what is wave equation? Wave equation is what? Utt is equals to c square of uxx. So here c is equals to 1 by comparing this. So what is the D'Alembert solution? X comma t is equals to 1 upon 2 f of x plus ct minus f of x minus ct plus 1 upon 2 c integral of x minus ct x plus ct g of s ds. So what is f, what is d here? So ux0 is f here and this is g here. So if we put x comma t is equals to 1 upon 2, fx is this, so f of x plus, here c is equals to 1, so x plus t is equals to here x plus t cube minus x minus t cube. This is fx, this is gx, plus 1 upon 2 integral of x minus t x plus t, here sine of s ds. But we have to find the value at pi. So we can put here u of pi comma pi is equals to 1 upon 2. Pi plus pi is what? 2 pi cube, and pi minus pi is 0, plus 1 upon 2. Pi minus pi 0, pi plus pi 2 pi, and integral of sine s ds. So what we get? 1 upon 2 into 8 pi cube plus 1 upon 2, and integral of sine x is minus cos. So here minus cos of s 0 and 2 pi, which is equals to 4 pi cube minus 1 upon 2. Here cos 2 pi is 1, minus of cos 0 is also 1. So this quantity become what? 0. So our final answer u pi comma pi is equals to 4 pi cube. So this is the solution of this wave equation. So our option A is correct. This is the solution of required question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.